This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2016 Hyundai Iload, stock number 7368. It's ran from the 5th 2012 to the 3rd 2021. There's a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, tyre and mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.